Hello, I'm Jeff Leapart, Chief Operating Officer for Liberty Hydro. Liberty Hydro designs and builds innovative water treatment solutions for the mining and oil and gas industries. This is our newest product, the ROVr. ROVr is the clean water retriever. Technically, ROVr stands for Reverse Osmosis Vehicle for Remediation. If you need water treatment or volume reduction at your mine site or drilling pad, our ROVr technology can save you money and help ensure compliance. This is the inside of the ROVr. The ROVr separates water containing dissolved solids into a clean stream and a rejected stream. With ROVr on site, we can recycle the water right there. And we can minimize the amount of water that must be hauled away for disposal. The less water you have to haul away, the lower your cost. Liberty Hydro has the advantage of working with the scientists and engineers at Matrix, the Mid-Atlantic Technology, Research, and Innovation Center. Liberty started its life as a spin-off from Matrix, and we are working on new products and conducting research into environmental and safety issues facing the mining, gas, and oil industries. Let's take a look at the basic processes behind ROVr technology with some key members of our science team.
I'm Dr. John Taylor.
And I'm Dr. John Sawyer.
We're here in the RO lab and I'm going to tell you about reverse osmosis. We have pure water and salt water, and we put these together and put a semi-permeable membrane between them. The pure water will tend to flow through that membrane and tend to dilute the salt water. It also reduces the osmotic pressure. This is known as osmosis and is sometimes referred to as forward osmosis. So clean water will tend to dilute salt water.
Now, if we want to reverse the flow of the water from the salt water back to the fresh water, then we can pump this through the membrane by increasing the pressure sufficiently to overcome the osmotic pressure, and it will flow backwards into the clean water tank. Now, because this is flowing in the reverse direction, it's sometimes called reverse osmosis. What's left behind is a reject, which is a concentrated brine solution.
So the ROVr system will actually take brine solution and create more pure water. And in that process, the brine solution becomes more concentrated and significantly reduced in volume.
Now, at the heart of our system is a membrane design that allows us to reduce the amount of reject water by a factor of 2. That means that we have only half the reject water of any other system, and there's only half as much to dispose of.
Hello, I'm Art Lucas. We can test our membrane configuration with the process simulation model located here behind me. Utilizing state-of-the-art process simulation software allows us to quickly address the findings from our laboratory and integrate them into our model to get a full understanding of what that means to our client and to the market. When we use conventional RO technology, there's a limit on the amount of pressure we can apply to the RO membrane. This limits the amount of water that can be pushed away from the salt. Thus, this limits the overall water reduction when utilizing a conventional RO system. Utilizing Liberty's technology allows us to break through this limitation and gain another 50% water volume reduction. And we can do this reduction at a lower energy cost than any other competing technology.
When flowback water enters the ROVr, it may look like this. The recovered water will look more like this. It's crystal clear. The rejected water will be concentrated and minimized. To get from here to there, the water must be processed in several steps. First, water enters our dissolved air flotation unit, or DAF. When water enters the DAF, microbubbles are formed that drive the heavy contaminants to the surface, where they're removed by a skimmer and out through a disposal hose. This protects our downstream filtration and RO membranes. Next, water passes from the DAF through polishing filters and then on to the reverse osmosis process. The white cylinder here on the truck's interior wall is a standard RO membrane. The water that passes through the RO membrane is recovered water. The water that is rejected for the RO membrane passes on to our proprietary R2 and D2 membrane filter units mounted here on the floor of the truck. This patented technology almost reduces the brine concentration to the point of crystallization. The whole system is easily controlled via a digital control system. You can see major pieces of equipment in the ROVr system. You can see some of the pumps, the valves, the DAF tank here, the feed forward pump that goes to our ROs, the control valve here, and in fact you can change your set points right here. It's real easy. It's just a matter of clicking on it, and dragging the set point down, close it, and away it goes. Other parts of the system are shown here. You can see one of the filters. You can see the first RO membrane. You can see our salt concentration tank, and again the pump that comes out of it. And then you can see the other end of the RO system as well. We designed the ROVr to be modular. You can order a mobile unit like this one, or we'll build one to your specifications. This unit runs at 10 gallons per minute. We can make larger mobile units up to about 100 gallons per minute. If you need even more capacity, Liberty can design and build a larger plant to complement your site. If you just need to remove dirt, oils, and surfactants from your water, then the DAF recycler is for you. For special needs, we can combine a DAF recycler with other treatment components to enable reuse of water on your site. For those who want the very smallest liquid waste stream possible, there's the ROVr combination. That is, the DAF recycler and the RO and RO concentrator unit like this one. The water produced by this unit is crystal clear and can be blended for reuse or returned to the environment. Along with the ROVr, Liberty Hydro designs and manufactures other unique products for the control of selenium and heavy metals, and we provide automated control systems for acid mine drainage. We're here to consult on water issues, to provide customized water solutions, and undertake focused research and development. We're Liberty Hydro, delivering the future in clean water solutions today.